Welcome back to the Chad Hasty Show, News Talk KFYO. We go to the phones and go out to our friends over at United Supermarkets and Market Street, and that's where Brenda Garcia, corporate dietitian for the United family of stores, is at. Brenda, good morning. How are you doing today?
Good morning. I'm well. How are you?
Doing fantastic. Appreciate you joining us.
Always, always. You know, we've been focusing a lot on September is Family Meals Month, and so it continues. And some people have really learned the joy of cooking, and some have cooking fatigue. So, you know, it's also a great time of year to think about adding fall flavors. So maybe shake up what you've been eating and try some new things, like maybe use maple to flavor something, even your vegetables. Put some maple, lightly drizzle, and toss with a little bit of olive oil and salt on maybe Brussels sprouts or even cauliflower and throw them in the oven at 425 for an hour. And what a great way to get those veggies in and kind of have a sweet, salty type of thing. Yeah. We've got lots of great recipes for you over on our website at happyandnourish.com. And don't forget, like, maybe you can cook part of it. So we always talk about the ready meals. They've got some great veggies that are ready to go there if you don't even want to think about that. And then maybe you have like a protein that you want to cook up. It's still great to grill. I think in Texas we can kind of grill year round.
Yeah,
really. We're
yeah,
kind of
exactly.
lucky with that. So grilling is always good. But listen, cooking at home and having that family time, remember that it really helps engage our family. We see grades are improved with young children. You improve communication skills. And you form different bonds and, hey, talk through different things at different times. So turning off the technology, enjoying each other, that is part of staying healthy as well. So really engaging in dinner and conversation and enjoying what you're eating.
Yeah, absolutely. And you can get more information by going to happyandnourish.com. Brenda, as always, appreciate your time.
Hey, thanks. Have a great one.
All right, you too. That's Brenda Garcia with our friends over at United Supermarkets and Market Street.